You want to go this time of year. You don't want to go in January.
Well, you don't want to go in June
minus
either.
165.
In June, they get the black flies and the biting gnats, and it's brutal up there. It's up in the hinterlands of the North Country. I'll tell you what, though, they have Lake Superior nearby, which you think our lake plays with us.
Right.
Their lake is much colder and has a big impact, too.
And they get lake effect snow from all directions there. I mean, you have an east wind that are having lake effect snow.
Goodness.
So yeah, we're in good shape here in Lake Erie. I won't complain about midges any longer given what they have up there. But you know, real interesting weather pattern. It's either one side of the front or the other. And today we were on the nice side of things. I mean, it was a very comfortable day. Same thing for Duluth today. You get on the south side of that front and you're dealing with hot temperatures. So I just want to throw Duluth and Minneapolis. These are today's highs. Look at the scorching heat out in the plains. I mean, this is above average for a lot of these folks and way above average when you throw in the humidity. But widespread 100-degree readings from Dallas all the way up towards Lincoln, Nebraska. And then you get Minnesota. This is where that front is. Same front that we were dealing with. It only got up to 64 today in Duluth. More of the same tomorrow. They're expecting a high near 100 in Minneapolis, near 100 in Chicago tomorrow. But for us, this is what we'll deal with. We're not quite on the hot side of things yet. We'll have storm chances working in from the north as we get in the latter half of your morning and midday. That should blow through. We should dry out for a while. Then we're dealing with more evening storm chances working in from the north as we get into tomorrow evening. High temperatures tomorrow likely settling in the low 80s. High pressure still in charge of our forecast now, despite some of the rain underneath that. We're not going to deal with that, at least not tonight. But things start to change. Again, the widespread heat alerts from north to south starting to creep into the Buckeye State. We've got excessive heat watches out for areas near Toledo out towards Indiana. And it feels like temperatures, this is what they do the next couple days. Remember, we're on the cool side of things, but this heat's going to try to work its way in. So tomorrow, we get a little sliver of it. And then Thursday, it looks like we get a sliver that really pushes in. That's all dependent on whether we get storms and how long they last and if we clear skies out or not. But the potential's there for some serious heat around here on Thursday. Beyond that, we bring in some cooler air. And then we're done with it. That's the way this summer's gone so far. So here's where our front is right now, still out towards our west. That front will trigger a couple rounds of storms. We happen to be in the crosshairs of that. Severe weather is certainly possible tomorrow, especially towards late evening and overnight. And then again, it shifts south, but still a pretty widespread area that has a possible tag on it in terms of severe weather on Thursday. So let's time it out for you. National Design Martin hour by hour forecast as we wake up tomorrow morning, watching those rain chances moving in from north to south during the morning hours. Not expecting severe weather tomorrow quite yet. Our atmosphere won't be primed, at least locally, but some rain and gusty winds could be possible as that moves through. All indication is we clear out after that, and then we'll rebound those temperatures. We'll bring out some sunshine mixed with clouds. High temperatures tomorrow into the 80s. Tomorrow night, it gets interesting once again. We'll have another boundary sinking out towards the south that'll kickstart some showers and thunderstorms. And you see it there, heavy rain, showers, thunderstorms possible tomorrow overnight into Thursday morning. Could have some severe weather with that. Heavy rain is going to be a big possibility with this. And here's how we're starting Thursday. This is our warm, muggy day. We start in the 70s. If we clear skies out enough during the daytime, which it looks like we will, we'll likely tag the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. And then we wait once again for round 3, which would be a round of storms that develops Thursday night. Comes across the lake, heavy rain, gusty winds, severe weather possible with that. And then we go quiet as we get in the daytime Friday. Got all that? Several rounds of storms. First one tomorrow, not severe. And then we deal with tomorrow night around this time and beyond, and Thursday night around this time and beyond. Could have some stronger storms around here. Guards taking on the Dodgers again tomorrow. We will have some storm chances around. We'll see how it plays out. I think they get the game in as of right now. It will be muggy, though. That mugginess really builds Wednesday night into Thursday. You are going to feel how tropical it is outside Thursday out ahead of any of those storm chances. This dome of heat we've been tracking, it finally heads back out towards the west. We get that troughiness pattern that we've had pretty much all summer long into the eastern U.S. As we look forward to the last few days of August, it looks to stay on the cooler side, but there are some signs of that heat may build back to some capacity beyond that. In terms of numbers, your Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast takes us near 90 on Thursday, dependent on those storms. And then we turn cooler onto the weekend with lots of sunshine expected and 70s next week.